Happy morning to all of you. Thank you. Respected dignitaries, our beloved Principal Ma'am, MD Sir, even though he is not here with us. I am truly honored and delighted to share this session with our vibrant Principal Ma'am, I should say, and our esteemed heads of various centers who have assembled here, Vice Principal Sir, and sorry if I have missed anyone else, I'm not really aware, and the young future bright minds, the students and the parents. So my association with Acharya as a parent has been quite recent, not more than 2.5 years. But I should say the school has never failed to amaze me. The meticulous efforts that they have taken in crafting such a comprehensive curriculum, we can actually find nowhere. This actually develops the student, not just in academic excellence or towards that, but a holistic approach. The Acharya anthem, one day I happened to see the morning assembly. So there, immediately after the assembly, after their anthem, they were doing some finger activities, which I later found out it was brain gym exercise, designed to improve their attention span and concentration. For kids at 2.5 to 3, their concentration and attention span is very less. Even for adults, it is going to come down. But incorporating such things at lower level, it's something great. Unless and until you meticulously sit and prepare, you cannot design a framework. Not just that. Every day, right now my son is in grade 1. I am exposed to only the smaller part of the bigger Acharya, I believe. So there, every day they are having things like chess. All of you are there doing it. Chess, Vedic maths, Rubik's Cube. And on the other hand, we have Malcolm, Silambam, all that happening at a young age. So if you see, these may seem simple at each classes, but in a broader aspect, if you see, you are training students both physically and emotionally, intellectually also. That goes by their anthem very well. Sometimes my children, they were there, they used to keep singing, yeah, 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 yeah. And when they say, there's with action, when they present, and it looks really beautiful. And you are actually keeping the word. The anthem states correct for how you are bringing up the children. And it's truly amazing, ma'am. The director, sir, is visionary, truly, because sometimes at not many schools, we come across ads in social media. So one day, it was a tagline, schools don't teach this. And they were trying to give a few books, teaching students about emotional intelligence and financial intelligence. That's exactly what they are having as books in their grade 1 syllabus itself. So this is actually, I feel, they are equipping the children as an individual to face the world outside with so much of confidence. The MCs that they are doing here, excellent work. See, 9th standard and 11th standard grade, when you are able to present or talk to people at so much of confidence, it's great. That will achieve only if the students at school at younger age, when they are given that confidence, they are able to build it and face the world outside. Outside world is so much more than what is inside the school. So at each stage of your life, when you are confident enough, then that will happen only in your school days. Only the school will be able to give you that amount of training, or this is not a training. So learning aspect only. Don't consider school as, I don't think anybody is going to consider, looking at the way I'm seeing how the students are behaving. So the confidence, I got to do an MC only in my college days. I don't think school never allowed me to do it. It's not allowing, we didn't get the opportunity. Initially, coming from a metro city to Puducherry, I should really tell you, I was little skeptical about the opportunities that I will give to my children. But truly I am wrong. The school, the arena that its children are exposed in Acharya, I think it is definitely a way ahead. Now the National Education Policy 2020, they are trying to bring about, if all of us, I'm not sure how many of you have gone through it fully. Most of it are already in Acharya, they are following it. As a parent, when I see that, now I don't think NEP is full-fledged followed by schools. They are just starting. Even though it came in 2020, we are in 2025, and schools are yet to implement it fully. And when a school, all 25 years standing tall, already implementing, that is something, it's commendable, it's more than something to be said. I think we all should be honored and proud that we have reached to this institution. So we should be thankful to God, and as parents, I think we should also support to whatever the school tells us. They have this daily morning routine. When the school says it, the kids will be more enthusiastic to do it rather than we parents when we try to say it at home. Sometimes they turn a deaf ear. But when the teacher is saying, or when they are rewarded at school, they are definitely going to have an upper hand. So with that, without any more delay, your good name? Kirtana, you are doing an excellent job. Not only you, even the other person. Both of you are doing an excellent job. You should really have that confidence at this age to talk to such a great audience. So keep up the good work. I'm sure many of your batchmates are also the same. So now, without any more delay, I would also like to congratulate the alumni who have come here. And finally, last but not the least, I'll pray to the Lord Almighty that He gives us all health, wealth, prosperity, to continue being part of Acharya and have a great life ahead. And I also, sorry, I forgot to mention the teachers. The teachers are the pillars of the school. If they are not there, the vision or the mission that the director sir will have will not be implemented. So I thank the teachers for such a dedicated work and all the staff members, whoever is working towards the mission and vision. I wish all of them a great success for all the future endeavors. And recently, Acharya has NABARD. That is something really great. Because at being in this field, when institutions are struggling to achieve, at school when they are able to get it, that is also extremely commendable. Thank you so much for inviting me here. It's an honor and pleasure here to chair the session alongside such vibrant leaders, I should say. Madam is extremely vibrant. Today morning I came, she's having 100 phone calls, there, this, and she's managing everything with so much of elegance. That is what Acharya is preparing the students. You have to face the world with confidence, elegance, poise, whatsoever comes to you later in your life. So thank you all for having me here. Jai Hind. Thank you.